So we have to talk about the OBIEE developer delivers option, and we will go directly into the applications to look how it could be done. So again, on the UI standalone application, we'll log in, the administrator login, and to navigate to the delivers, we need to go to the more product tab, and we'll go. So here we see on the right side of the pane, we see create iBot, edit my account, and show my iBot acting on my behalf. So these are the options. We'll first go to the edit my account. It opens up a page, shows you what all different settings is. This is the same page you have for my account settings for different privileges. So we can take a look at those. It shows your display name, the user ID. It shows what's your default dashboard you can set up when you log in. When you log into administrator right now, you must have noticed that directly went to the same dashboard. I could say my dashboard or any other dashboard to be my default one. The locale is the language you see and the time zone which you have the settings. Like if you set up a Europe kind of a time setup, you will see the dates in DD/MMYY, while in America you will see MMDDYY. So that kind of settings and the language settings are defined by the locale. The language for the different reports and this kind of thing, it works based on the setting which is placed out here. So if I change from English to something else, this will change the whole application into a different language. We can do that look at that later point of time. But so this is again the time zone. You could have different time zone settings for individual. And the deliver options which are more critical for this particular exercise, it's email. What is my default email ID? So you can add my email device, and I can put my email name, and you can type the email address and stuff like that. And if you wanted the report to be going to the phone number, it could be a mobile device, so you can enter that. You can have pager, handheld device, or some other kind of devices. But more and more it's used in email or sometimes phone. And one other way it is done is like the delivery profile. So let's say I add a delivery profile, and you say, it's a way to say you can set up settings like saying I want email to be my default when a report comes, if this is the condition. So it gives you those options to pick up later in when you create an iBot. Again, it gives you the group membership. So this particular administrator always belongs to a group called Presentation Server Administrator. It has access to most of the things in the application apart from the custom things which you do. So you'll have to get that privilege as you add more custom things. But this is kind of the main super admin who has all that kind of access. So that's the My Account page. We currently do not have anything on the showing iBot because no iBots have been created. So let's go ahead and create one iBot. It will not work because we haven't, the demo does not have all the setups necessary for that, but we can browse to different screens. So you see various tabs provided for deliver settings. So a deliver may have all these tabs filled in or may not, based on what you want. So let's go one by one and understand them. The first one is overview. Is just a launching pad to give you the different tabs that go again, like which tabs you have, the same corresponding links you have here. So let's use the one by one. So this general tab provides you the priority. You can set